Hello, welcome to text learning. Today we are going to learn E sound words. Let's look at these words. E, tree. Let's do it once again. E, tree. That's good. Now move to next one. Feet. Let's do it once again. Feet. Good job. Now time to move next word. Sleep. Shall we try once again? Sleep. Don't go to sleep yet. We have more words to sound out. Next is sheep. Let's do it once again. Sheep. Move to next word. Tree. This word is having two digraphs as well. Do it once again. Tree. Time to move next word. Teeth. Let's do it once again. Teeth. Show me your teeth, everyone. Yes. Next is bee. Let's do it once again. Bee. It is so cute. Now next is green. Shall we try it once again? Green. Good job. So today we have learned E sound words. Thank you for watching Text Learning. Please like and subscribe.